Once upon a time, in the lush hills of Jamaica, there lived a curious 16-year-old boy named Tanto. He loved exploring the island's dense forests and hidden caves, always seeking adventure. One day, while wandering off the beaten path, Tanto stumbled upon something extraordinary. A towering mountain cloaked in shimmering mist, unlike any hill he'd ever seen. Rumors of a magic mountain had floated around in local legends, but no one had ever dared to explore it. Driven by curiosity, Tanto climbed the mountain's steep slopes. As he reached the summit, he discovered a glowing crystal embedded in the ground, pulsating with an otherworldly light. When he touched it, a surge of energy coursed through his body, awakening a strange power within him. He could control the elements: fire, water, wind, and earth. Suddenly, the sky darkened, and a fierce storm began to brew. But instead of fear, Tanto felt a newfound confidence. Using his powers, he calmed the raging winds and dissipated the storm, earning the respect of the natural forces around him. The mountain's magic had chosen him, blessing him with abilities beyond imagination. From that day forward, Tanto became a guardian of his island, protecting Jamaica from threats both natural and supernatural. The magic mountain had given him a gift and a responsibility to preserve the harmony of his home. And though he was just a boy, Tanto knew that with his newfound powers, he could make a difference in the world.